¿Por qué no me miráis? Pregunta Laura. So why can't they see me? Le hace un gesto. So she makes a gesture to them. Acerca la cara. She's close to the face. Vaya a su alrededor. So she dances around y mueve los brazos justo enfrente de ellos. So it moves her arms just in front of them. Pero ellos continúan ignorándola. So, but they continue to ignore her. Es como si no estuviera ahí. It's like they don't see her there. Nacho y Vera siguen hablando de ella. So they continue talking about her. Nacho pregunta. Nacho asks, ¿Dónde estará? Where could she be? Lleva mucho tiempo al teléfono. So she's spending a lot of time on the phone. Me estoy preocupando. So I am worried. Ya la conoces, dice Elvira. I already know her, says Elvira. Probablemente está revisando cuentas o contantas o algo así. Volverá pronto. So, probably she's revising something or telling stories or contracts or something like that. She'll return pronto. Or she'll return soon. So she's not super worried yet, right? Finalmente, Laura se da cuenta de algo. Finally, Laura is going to say something. Sus amigos no pueden verla. Her friends can't see her. Es increíble. It's incredible. Ella parece ser invisible. So she seems to be invisible. Dios mío. So, kind of like, my God, just piensa Laura. Thanks, Laura. No me pueden ver. They can't see me. Realmente soy invisible. So really, I am invisible. No me lo puedo creer. I can't believe it. Hace un pausa y piensa. ¿Para por qué? Then she gives a pause and thinks, but why? De repente, so suddenly, Laura recuerda el objeto extraño que ha encontrado entre los árboles. So suddenly Laura remembers the strange object that she had found between the trees. Piensa en la luz que tenía ese objeto y en cómo se había apagado cuando ella lo tocó. So she thinks of the light of the object and how when it had turned off when she touched it. So she happens to remember kind of what happened to her here. Esto por esta luz, piensa. Ahora soy invisible porque la toque. Is it because of the light, she thought? Now I'm invisible because I touched it? No está segura, so she isn't sure. Piensa durante un tiempo y toma una decisión. So she thinks a little bit while and makes a decision. No sé cuánto tiempo me afectará esta luz. So, I don't know how long this light is going to affect me. Tengo que disfrutar de esto. So I have to enjoy this. En cualquier momento se puede terminar. At any moment, it could be done. So she wants to enjoy being invisible while she can. Because it could just be a short period of time, right? Se vuelve hacia sus amigos. So she returns and goes back towards her friends. Vamos a ver qué están haciendo Nacho y Vera. She's going to see what they are doing. Nacho está sacando la comida de la barbacoa. So he is taking the food off of the barbecue. Elvira está ayudándolo. So Elvira is helping him. Está poniendo bebidas frías en la mesa y está guardando la basura en una bolsa. So they are putting the cold drinks on the table and they are putting the trash in a bag. So they're collecting the trash to kind of throw it away. Pues sí. Well, yes, Nacho, dice ella. She says, Laura trabaja mucho, pero es normal. She works a lot, but that's normal. Ha estudiado durante muchos años y muy duro. So she has studied for many years and worked very hard. Esta es una gran oportunidad. So it is a grand opportunity. Probablemente será director general un día. So probably she'll be the general director someday. No le pagan lo suficiente. He says that he doesn't really feel that they pay her well. Es cierto, pero seguro que consigue cobrar más en el futuro. So that's true, but perhaps she is hoping that in the future she will earn more. Ella vale mucho, ¿sabes? Okay, so she values it or it means a lot, you know. ¿Quién sabe lo que puede lograr? You know that she can achieve it. Who knows what she can achieve? Might be a better translation there. Sí, lo sé. Yes, I know it. Solo necesita relajarse más los fines de semana. Only is necessary to relax more on the weekend. Mira lo que ha ocurrido hoy. Just look what has occurred or happened today. Tenemos una barbacoa y ella está trabajando. So we are having a barbecue and she is still working. Su trabajo no es fácil, so her work is not easy. Siempre quieren que trabaje mucho. Always they want her to work a lot. Ella trabaja mucho y muy bien. So she works a lot and very well. Se están dando cuenta de que es la mejor empleada de su departamento. So basically she's the best employee of the department. Laura se sorprende. No sabía cuánto la respetaban sus amigos. So she's surprised. She didn't know how much respect her friends had for her. No le gustaba oír lo que decían de ella. She would not like to hear what they had to say of her, pero no podía resistirse. But she couldn't resist. Todo lo que decían de ella era muy bueno. All that they said of her was very good. Sonría felizmente, so she smiled happily. De repente el tono de Nacho cambia, so suddenly the tone of Nacho changes. Lo siento, my kids are knocking on the door.